Hello guys, this is Said, the founder of Trader. Today I will analyze Nas100 Nasdaq with you, how I see the market. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment below. Let's get to it. This is our pair Nas100. We start from the daily chart to look at what the overall direction of the market, right? It is important that we start here so that we know the overall direction of the market. So you can see that we have our higher lows at the top here, and when we cater for the bottom, we have our lower lows. I'm sorry, lower lows below here, right? As you can see, we have our lower highs there, lower highs. We have our lower lows there, right? This tells us that the market is on the downtrend, which means overall trend it's a sell or it's a bearish market, right? We are looking for overall selling opportunities unless we break out, unless the market decides to break out of this structure. So currently I see buying opportunities, right? The reason why I'm saying I see buying opportunities is because when we take a look here, you will realize that the market is from our lower low. So we are looking for the market to give us the lower high, right? But the market will not go like straight there. It will form some corrections, some pullbacks before reaching what? Before reaching the top, right? So this is what we see on our daily chart. We have selling opportunities, right? We have a sell trend, right? So we dive deep into a 4H. Yeah? 4H, we cater for the area of sensitivity, or we can say the area where the market reverses, like where we experience reversals, right? We can see that this is our lowest low, right? Here, lowest lows. This is our highest high there, right? Yeah. So we have this sensitive area here where the market is at right now. The reason why I'm saying it's a sensitive area is because the market respects this area. As you can see, gave us buys, it fake out, went for buys, came and broke, gave us sells. This area can act as a support and a resistance too. Another sensitive area that I see is this one here. This area was acting as a support here. The market broke. Now it was acting as a resistance to the downside, right? Another area that I see is here. The market reverses when like it was reversing. This area was acting as a resistance and we never tested it. So there is a possibility that the market is going to respect this area here, or our trend there before we look for selling opportunities or a break of a structure and we go for buys when we break, right? So now we have our main thing, right? Even this area here is a sensitive area. We broke this area Friday, which means we are waiting for what? We are looking for a retest before. Let me do this. We are looking for what? We are looking for a retest before overall buying opportunities, right? This is what we are looking for. Ne? This is what I am looking for towards the new week, right? So the market will decide how long it takes like to reach our target, which is there at the top. So now we can, when the market opens, we can like look for selling opportunities, maybe selling opportunities from there, selling opportunities from there, then have that tight stop loss. But you will enter afterward, after confirmations. Usually I don't trade on Mondays because on Mondays there are a lot of stop loss hunts, manipulations. So I normally trade Tuesday until Friday. Even on Fridays I don't trade that much. Then or you can take these sales after the rejection when the market indicates to us that it's changing to the downside, right? Or wait for the market to drop, then we take overall buys to take a safer trade, right? So what will make this trade invalid is when the market can, if the market will break, come and retest here. After reaching the zone, that's where we wait for reversal candlesticks and or patterns to take what our bias. Then we know that we go for bias. And guys, fundamentals when it comes to Nasdaq are very important because they indicate to us or they confirm our technical analysis whether we are looking for buying opportunities or selling opportunities. So even this area was sensitive. Hence I'm saying the market can like break and respect this area before like come to retest before shooting up. Ne? So we have to be patient with the market and wait for the market to give us what we are looking for. What I'm looking for as side traders did, I'm looking for the market to go up, to give me those. I'll wait for the market to come to this zone, to come to this zone, to break above. I don't know if Friday the time, like Friday when the market broke this area, maybe this was a retest because like the market formed something like a correction here, which is like a continuation, right? There was an impulse. The structure was broken with the impulse move. The market corrected, right? Then it went up. So we might experience a breakout there. We might experience a breakout, then a larger version of a correction before entering our buying opportunities, right? It's a possibility failure here. It's a possibility failure, but this is what I'm looking for on Nasdaq. I'm looking for Nasdaq to give me those sales before going up. But as it looks, Nasdaq is going for bias, guys. It's going for bias. We don't know if they will okay here or the market will pull down before going up, right? We don't know if they will okay here, right? But this will be a perfect entry if the market can just come and like to respect this area, then we go for the longs, right? This is me, side trader, your mentor. This is me, how I look at Nas100. Let's look at US30. Let's look at US30 without wasting any time. Right? US30 we took buys Fridays. As you can see, we broke out. So many people saw this as a reversal, But me, I saw it as a continuation of buys. The reason why the confirmation came with the fundamentals. Fundamentals were positive. We have I have my lows already. We broke out on this large head and shoulder. We have like head and shoulder here. If you can take. You see, we have something like a head and shoulder there. The market broke. So now we are looking for a retest. We hit TP actually, so we are waiting for a retest there before going forward, before going for buying opportunities. Retest where at our, I'm sorry, let me delete this. Retest at our neckline, right? At our neckline before we move forward, before we move from buying opportunities to test this structure. This is on a downtrend too, ne? So to test this, to give us the lower highs, then we are looking for this, the retest on the neckline before going up. As we can see, this area is sensitive. Hence, I'm saying I'm expecting reversals. The market broke it, but didn't retest it. So now it's coming back to retest it. Then it will go toward the neckline, then we go for buys, right? I hope that makes sense. I hope everybody will take a thing or two from what I did today. This is Saturday Mentor, and I'm signing out. Thank you all, guys. Thank you all.